Hello dear traders and welcome to another update. For today I plan to cover a gold market. I will speak about the euro versus US dollar and about the dollar index and Bitcoin. I will start first with the gold market. So gold market is in the consolidation period, and last I will say 4 days we are basically trading inside of this box. Price tried to trade below yesterday and we failed to go below. Market closed in the middle and now it's starting to go upside, but still overall in this kind of box. So if you see here, we got a 50-day moving average. Price is basically just very flat around this 50-day moving average, and I think the best idea here is to watch for eventual breakout of this box. Either it's upside breakout or downside breakout. So for the upside breakout, I would like to see the price to take this pin bar high and trade again around above 18.15. If that is the case, then we can also project the width of this box. We can project it upside, and it will lead us to basically this consolidation area here, somewhere in the middle area of this consolidation. So in case of upside breakout on the good volume, and if we get even some follow through, this will be a pretty strong potential for the price to back to I would say 1860 level. Now from other side, if the market decide to go downside and take the low or pin bar low here from 1769, then we can also project this to the downside and take this and project to the downside to get a feel of potential objective, at least based on this projection, around 1725, which is pretty much also the lows from September, the end of September this year. So for now, we're watching this consolidation. It's already 5 days in this consolidation, but there is no breakout yet here. We are still pretty much around the mean of this consolidation. So watch for a breakout on this one. Euro dollar is pretty strong. This is something that I alerted that we can have upside continuation. There was a strong breakout. You see this day here, basically we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 closes with a single day up. So we went above the 5 previous closes prior to this bar. Significant buying day here, and this was just a 1-day reaction, more like a liquidation. I think that buyers basically liquidated their position, but not that much, maybe just partial liquidation here, and they just continue with more upside and they just buy more after this. The sellers didn't react based on this liquidation. We didn't have a new downside power or something like that. We basically got a very narrow bar close in the middle, and result is another good up day and another strong bull day for now. Now, what we can see here is basically there is some upside levels which we almost reached. Not exactly here, but at 1.1372, 375, we got that area. We're also approaching the 20-day moving average, which is around 1.1390. So we have 1.1370, 75, and 1.1390. And then if we take all of that, we can even go more. Just show you that we can go euro here. Look at it, we didn't have a problem to go into this single prints area. We basically just went very aggressively through. You see the single prints area here, we didn't have a problem. But then I think that we are trying to test actually this. We have a lot of the single prints area, but the next single print area was all the way here. And this area is basically around 1.1390, 1.1400 level. That's the next level really to observe here. So 1.1370, 75, and 1.1400 zone. I think that is the next area which will be really interesting and potentially good for scaling as well. So watch for that zone, and definitely upside pressure today. And if any intraday, there will be a good thing to do is on the bull side on the pullbacks. But we already got a good expansion so far, so we are right now on extreme. Speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, if we take a look, for example, on the daily time frame and we go to check Bitcoin versus US dollar, we had 1 day up. So buying day, we had a liquidation day, and we're building, basically we're back below the buying day high, and we have actually the rate of change. We see this is a sell day for the Bitcoin, and we took the this liquidation day low. So we can see, even if there is a more, Bitcoin, if we check lower time frames, you can find out that in this example we made lows first for today. So we made lows first, but sellers just selling on the rallies, the ABC, and they even sell more. So it seems like we want to even go lower and eventually even go to test fully 53,000, 700 zone, 750. So watch for some downside continuation patterns on the Bitcoin. That will be all, guys, for today. I hope that you did enjoy, and I wish you a good trading day. Trade safe, and see you all tomorrow morning.